If you have multiple payment platforms, there's a really good chance you're taking longer than you should. Sure, it might not seem much on a single occasion, but that's work you're doing over and over again. And maybe your memory sucks, so you end up having to relearn what you did before. Please let me save you. You know how in the last video I talked about automatically analyzing your PayPal transaction report? Well, this time we're talking about a system that automatically analyzes any transaction report. So, regardless of what it looks like at the start, the automation will do the work for you to properly categorize and summarize. And this methodology is a little different this time around. Instead of using the positive and negative amounts, this time we'll use a list of keywords in another tab of your spreadsheet. So Excel will read that list in order to assign the categories of income or expense for you. That way, we're making it more customizable every time you use it. Okay, caveat time. The caveat here is that we're assuming this spreadsheet has already been cleaned. And if you don't know what I mean, I'm going into detail about that in the next video. Back to our method. To start, you need a Rules tab, with the first row showing reference column, expense keywords, income keywords. And let's tell Excel which column or columns, if you want more than one, in the transaction report that we want Excel to look at to determine whether something is an income or expense. That could be a description field or a name field. Then we'll finish filling this in with the keywords, things like payment, client, shipping, or whatever. Time to find our correct script in Excel Automate and then click Run. What it's doing is populating everything for us based on our rules and keywords and building our summary table. But as you can see, there are a few things the system is confused about and flagged it for review. So using my override column, I'm going to tell Excel whether I want it to be considered an income or expense. Oh, before I forget, if you want a copy of the script to use, just go to my website and you can download it for free. All right, now let's click Run to update the summary table. And there you have it. Now you can adjust your keywords to match whatever transaction report you have, and the automation will sort and summarize it for you. This categorization system is also included in my automation starter pack, which you can get on my website. And in the next video, I'll show you my framework for cleaning your transaction report, which is super important to do before you do any automations.